Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdraw number 5 from this slide on stable platform abapcbtc.com. If you want to register in this slide platform, put your email here and your password here, repeat the password and put your number, Telegram number, WhatsApp and click register. If you have account in this slide platform, directly click login, you will login directly to the platform. I will put my email here and the password and click login. Like we see everyone, this is my account in this slide platform abapcbtc.com. If you want to know about the platform, click this. And if you want to deposit from here, and if you want to withdraw from here, and if you want to know about the platform, like how to deposit and investment plan, click this. And if you want to receive your income after the deposit and active mining machine, click this. I'll explain about the info investment plan. If you deposit from 10 USDT to 2000 USDT, you will daily withdraw 7.20% every month. And if you deposit from 2000 to 8000 USDT, you will daily withdraw 8.20%. And if you deposit from 8,000 to 30,000 USDT, you will daily withdraw 10.50% every month. And all this BIP. There are BIP 10 with daily 58% every month. Like we see, this is my mining machine in the platform. My active deposit 11 USDT everyone, and my daily earn this. And explain how to recharge. Click this to recharge. When you want to recharge, copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance, and send the money to this address TRC20, TRX or USDT. You can deposit to TRX or USDT. Minimum deposit in USDT 10 USDT and TRX 130 TRX everyone. After you send the money, don't forget click recharge completed to receive the money to your account. I will go to withdraw now. When you want to withdraw, put your amount here and the address wallet TRC20 here and the password and click show. Minimum withdraw USDT 0.7 USDT and in TRX, like we see everyone, 5 TRX. I will withdraw today with TRX. I will put the amount here and my address wallet TRC20 there, and I will put the password and click show. After I put the password, I will click show. Like we see everyone, this is my withdraw today, number 5 from this slide platform, and this is the time, see the time here, and the withdraw arrived directly to my wallet TRC20 TRX. Like we see, this is my withdraw arrived directly. See the time here, and the time here in 1 second everyone. 72 TRX I received it from this slide platform. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms like abapcbtc.com and elusdt.com, and you will see link register in the description. Register and deposit and active your mining machine to earn daily, and you will get 5.5% for first deposit bonus. Good luck everyone.